Oh my god.
It's like, you have to hold a button for it to be in reverse. Like, it was so weird.
There he emerges. What's up, guys? I'm Carl, and today I'm here with my friends Jesse and Tanner, and today we are mounting a new lippy spoiler to the Mustang. So
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. The boxer spoiler came in. Step 2, get excited. Step 3, open the trunk. Step 4, take all this stuff apart. Tanner's already way ahead.
Tanner said it. He said, I do need to do. No, I don't care, dude. We're just plugging away and we're having a good time today. Yeah, cup is definitely used. And then these twist out like this. I tried. It's not a pole. When I was looking at my backup camera wire, it's not a pole. Yeah, it's just a twist. Cause like I looked immediately and I was like, how do I take apart? You know, when the camera was acting up, I was like, how do I take this whole bitch apart? This comes off next, and then you just start popping.
Where's the clap? But since they know me, okay, we're at the Ding Guy, putting a spoiler up on this bitch. Ding Guy don't normally do that shit, but since Carl's my boy, hooking him up.
Yeah, so we're at the Ding Guys, which is Jesse and Tanner's family shop, and that's why we have the space to do this.
Shameless plug.
Which I'm super grateful for letting you guys do this for me and helping me out.
Anytime. That's what we're here for. We like doing this stuff. We love cars. We like taking care of cars, making them look nice.
Yeah.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
There we go. It feels like there's I don't think there's a center bolt. It kind of feels like it.
That should be good.
I think Jesse's got it. Yeah. Oh, it gets hot, this bitch.
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna open the door. Will that fuck up the lighting?
Okay. Oh! Hello, brother. She's pretty though. Tanner, what are you doing now?
Erasing the old double sided tape. Because the new piece comes with adhesive on it, so you need to get rid of the old adhesive. So the new adhesive sticks real nice.
Yee. It's like the same idea of removing the adhesive on a sticker. Yeah. Mustang parts. How's she look?
Oh,
Spicy?
you got adhesive promoters and everything, dude.
Ooh, look how spicy. Look, it feels so good with the new part. How's it match? Woo! Dude, that's hot.
Going this way a little bit.
Trying to move that thing, my guy. I mean, you were trying to move a straight up like race car.
Oh, I did move it a few times.
I know, like that's what I'm saying. I think visually to set it up for like probably if you do it with the trunk down, and then I don't know, maybe. Oh yeah. So yeah, Tanner's way smarter than all this. Hang on.
Okay, so if you guys just want to, it needs to come this way, come back, that right there.
Look at Tanner being smarter than us.
It's okay.
And it's held down by a bolts?
Yeah. It's not like it's like my rain covers where it's just
Adhesive.
This is a discussion down here.
Dude, you're a god.
For your setup.
Tanner the legend.
then we should pull this, right?
Once he gets the last one in.
Oh yeah.
They're all in.
Oh, they're
Oh,
all
they
there.
are?
Yeah, you
So-
can pull this.
Just start pulling.
Yeah.
And the one underneath.
And then let's still keep it up a little bit, and then we'll close it down and then press.
Make sure it's like far enough back and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Because I mean, we definitely got wiggle room.
Yeah.
So, how's your?
Mine's good. It's sticking. Fuck. It looks good. It's all lined up back here. It's not.
How's my side, Tanner?
That looks good. Looks really good actually. Perfect.
So press down.
Dead nuts, yeah, go for it.
Do we want to close the trunk so we can put some weight on?
Close, go, sweet. These motherfuckers going home, dude. Need a stronger drill. These are yours.
And this too. Extendo.
Yeah,
This-
that's mine. Back little 12.
This is this.
Those are the old. We can just thread those on the old spoiler.
Both of those.
Put tools back in that shit.
I don't feel safe in my own mind. Like I was lost the whole time. Please leave me where you found me, in the city of the living. Yeah. My city full of zombies that'll take your mind. My city full of bitches that will take your time. Full of hating ass niggas that'll take your life. In a city full of mountains but nobody climbs. I don't wanna be surrounded by.
So massive shout out to my boys Jesse and Tanner here for mounting the spoiler here at the Ding Guys. Appreciate it. Looks super good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.